Let's show you how Luca works. We're going to send a prompt to Luca to prepare a financial statement. Just give it the command and let Luca handle the rest. Watch closely as it gets to work. Generate FS. Luca will now process the information, and in a few moments, the FS will be ready. As Luca works in the cloud, it's constantly updated. If there is an update in financial reporting standards, Luca takes care of it automatically. You can sit back and relax. Now, the financial statement is ready. Let's open the Word file. As you can see, this FS follows the ISCA illustrative format. It starts with the director's statement, followed by the balance sheet, the profit and loss statement, changes in equity, and the cash flow statement. And of course, all the necessary notes are included. Now you might wonder, what do we need from you to make this happen? If you're on zero, simply provide the opening trial balance and the general ledger summary for the past 2 years. Additionally, we'll need a couple of extra details, just like these 2 tabs. Let's check the accuracy of Luca's work. We'll tie a few numbers to see if it all balances. Look at prepayments. We'll match it with the data. And yes, it's all accurate. Now for the cash account. Let's sum up the GL. And there you go. The numbers tally perfectly. Lastly, let's check the share capital information. As you can see, it's consistent with the data you provided. Want to explore this FS generation service with us? Luca makes the entire process smooth and stress-free, ensuring your financial statements are accurate and up to date.